Hi, welcome back to Gannon's. Since you're watching this video, by now I'm pretty sure you know that we've got a massive collection of very high-end um, steins and porcelain and ceramic ware from Germany. This piece right here really kind of defies description because it's an urn or a vase done in high relief and low relief and extensively decorated with classic European themes like the Bacchus slant Greenman or the North Wind or wyverns, that sort of thing. It's a salt glazed piece. It's well over 100 years old, probably from Mettlach. There is not a manufacturer's mark. And while we're on the subject, let me show you that there is a repair on its foot. Now, it cannot be seen from above, but it is there, and you need to know that. This is an exceptional piece. It came from a fantastic collection from Naples, Florida. Those of you who are avid collectors know exactly what I'm talking about, and you've already purchased several pieces from us. This is unusual, and it's going to be perfect for someone's collection. And it's right here at Gannon's Antiques and Art, Fort Myers, Florida.